Chapter 2. Let's get started. In markets, there are two types of investors. First is informed investors and second is uninformed investors. The major point or important point that differentiates between these two people is that uninformed investors lack knowledge and informed investors have access to knowledge. In Elliott wave theory, each Elliott wave contains waves, that is 5 waves and 3 waves in each cycle. Impulse waves are price of movements that are rising in uptrend and declining in a downtrend. Corrective waves are those moments which are which rise against the trend. Elliott wave theory is a multifractal system in which each cycle can be part of another cycle. Elliott wave theory works with other technical indicators. It is best to buy when market is in impulse cycle and sell when it is in corrective cycle. Volume is important factor in analyzing directional trend. Volume itself is a precursor of price trend, but it is not useful for determining entry and exit. Whether volume, whether in an uptrend or downtrend, any price movements with high volume will be should be considered stronger as compared to low volume. Heavy volume in lows in a trend indicates buying support or buying point or buying price, and vice versa for highs in a downtrend. Higher volume in highs in downtrend indicates the selling point.